How to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to recover your deleted messages in Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram, now tap on this message section. So now let's say I'll just go ahead and delete this message that I made with this person. Now long press your hand on the person and tap on this delete button. So if I tap on this delete button, now it will permanently delete my messages with this person. So now as can see, now after you finish deleting the message, now go back, go to your Facebook account. After you open your Facebook account, all you have to do now, allow it to finish loading and tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy in Facebook. So now go and tap on this settings section. Under settings, now all you have to do now, tap on this see more in account center. So now scroll to down and tap on this your information and permissions. So now tap on this download your data, your information, download your information. So now, like as you can see now, tap on this download or transfer your information. So in this session, select Instagram. After you select your Instagram, now tap on this next button. So now tap on this, as you can see now, specific type of information. So now allow it to finish loading. Scroll to down in this section now and tap on this select these messages. After you select messages, now tap on this next button at the bottom. So in this section, all you have to do now, download the device. Make sure you check on this first option and tap on this next. So as you can see now, scroll to down. As you can see now, here it says create a file or create file to download. So all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see here it says data range last year. So as you can see now, notify, it will send you a notification through your email. As you can see now, this email address that you use on your Instagram account. So as you can see now, it will send you your quality. Tap on this media quality. So now you can change the quality of your messages that you want to see. You can tap on this higher or lower. So after you select the one that you want, tap on this create button. So after you tap on this create button, now Instagram will send you all your Instagram messages. As you can see now, will send you all your Instagram messages within some hours. As you can see now, they will send you an email with all your information in PDF, so you can go ahead and open it. Hope this video helps you on how to recover Instagram deleted messages. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.